In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add equations in Notion. If you work with math, science, finance, or simply want clean, readable formulas in your notes, Notion's equation feature lets you write professional-looking math right inside your pages using latex, the standard markup for mathematical notation. First, open the Notion page, where you want the equation to appear. This can be an existing page or a brand new one. Once the page is open, click inside the main content area. Make sure your cursor is in the body of the page, not in the title field, and place it exactly where you want the equation to show up later. Now, type the / command by entering /equation. Notion uses the slash to bring up quick actions. As you type, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled Equation. This inserts a dedicated equation block at your cursor so your formula can stand on its own line and be easy to read. With the equation block ready, enter your mathematical formula using latex formatting. Latex is a simple text-based way to describe math, so Notion can render it beautifully. A few quick pointers help a lot. Use the caret symbol for exponents, like XL2. Use the underscore for subscripts, like A1, and wrap grouped items in curly braces, such as X10, to keep the 10 together. For fractions, type /frac o suas b. For square roots, use #sqrtx. For Greek letters, start with a backslash, like +, or +pi. You'll see Notion update the rendering as you type, so you can immediately confirm that your formatting looks right. If something seems off, check that your braces are balanced and that you've used backslashes for latex commands. When you're happy with the input, press Enter. Notion will display the formatted equation on the page. The equation block behaves like any other block in Notion, so you can move it up or down the page later. And if you need to refine the formula, just click the equation to reopen the input and make adjustments. That's all there is to it. Open your page, place your cursor, type /equation, select the equation block, write your formula in latex, and press Enter to render it cleanly. With a little practice, you'll be able to capture everything from basic algebra to more advanced expressions, all without leaving Notion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building crisp, readable equations in your workspace.